This is the final video to solve the Windows Update error 0x8007041. Are you also facing this problem where your Windows keeps failing to install updates and shows the code 0x8007041 every single time? This error appears when the Windows installer service stops working, gets stuck, or becomes corrupted. It also happens if update files are damaged or if another program blocks the installer in the background. Most videos online make this sound complicated, with long commands and confusing steps. When I ran into this same issue, nothing worked until I found one simple trick that fixed it instantly. That's what I'm sharing here for Rexist viewers. First, restart the Windows installer service. If it's disabled, Windows updates will fail no matter what. Next, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter. It automatically repairs missing or broken update components. Then, clear the software distribution and cacheroot2 folders because these folders store corrupted temporary update files. Also make sure MSI installer isn't blocked by antivirus or a third-party cleanup tool. If you still see the error, install the pending .NET Framework updates manually, because missing .NET components are one of the biggest reasons this code appears. These steps fix the error for most users. But the method I use personally is even easier, and I can show it to you step by step. Comment below if you want a full walkthrough, and I'll upload the